Hey guys, James Winstead here with the 3D maneuver of the day, and today we're going to go over inverted Harriers. This maneuver goes along with the Harrier and the parachute, which were covered in the last 3D maneuvers of the day. The basic stick inputs follow closely with Harriers. This maneuver is key for low speed flying and adding variety to your 3D flight routines. In the clip, watch us use the rudder to push the nose of the airplane where I want. I use the ailerons to keep the wings at the level I want, and I balance the throttle and the elevator input to keep the nose at the correct angle of attack. I'll go over two different ways to enter this maneuver, and also go over some tips for doing some fast turns. Make sure you're doing this with an airplane you're comfortable with. You have to be well versed at how a plane flies at low speeds, and also be ready to be low to the ground in some situations. Inverted Harriers can go wrong pretty fast. In this first example, we're entering from a normal Harrier. We're pulling back on the stick and adding some power until we pull all the way through to an inverted Harrier state, and then change our elevator input. At this point, your mind needs to automatically readjust to the fact that your rudder and ailerons are going to be different than when you are in a normal Harrier. In this example, we enter the inverted Harrier with a parachute. The large elevator push is followed by minor corrections with the rudder and ailerons. Think of inverted Harriers the same way we think of normal Harriers. The elevator and throttle control the speed and angle of your airplane, while the ailerons and rudder control your heading. One scary part about inverted Harriers is every now and then your angle will get too high, and you'll have to actually pull on the elevator to get the angle back down to where you need it to be. Keep this in mind and practice this up high. One key tip for inverted Harriers is, in general, left rudder requires a left aileron input and right rudder requires a right aileron input. While this isn't true for every airframe and every instance, it's a good place to start to get your mind right. Tighter turns can be tricky, so start with general wide turns and then slowly bring yourself almost into a funnel hover. At this point, you'll be very well versed in everything you need to do in inverted Harrier. The main thing about turns is how you practice them. Practice them going from left to right, right to left, coming towards you, going away from you, making figure eights in both directions. The more practice you have in different ways, the better you'll be. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please watch my stream every Thursday at 8 p.m. Also follow me on Facebook, and also check out the How to 3D Facebook group. We do contests there, a whole bunch of cool stuff. Please give this video a like and a comment with what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time for the next How to 3D maneuver of the day.